The truth most traders ignore. Most traders fail. Not because trading is too hard, but because their mind is not ready. They enter the market with fear, with greed, with stress, with dreams of fast money. This quick lesson will teach you the truth. The simple truth. The truth that can save you from becoming part of the 90% who fail. Let's begin. Problem 1. The real problem is the mind. New traders think they fail because of bad strategies. But the real problem is inside their mind. They hope the trade will win. They wish the market will move for them. They pray for profit. Hope is dangerous in trading. The market does not care about your feelings. It only responds to discipline. To win, you must control your mind. If you don't control your emotions will control your account. Problem 2. Emotional trading. Let's talk about emotional traders. They open the chart, see the candles moving fast, and feel pressure. They chase the market. They enter too early. They exit too late. Every decision comes from fear and excitement, not logic. Trading must be calm, slow, clear. When your emotions are high, your thinking becomes weak. A calm mind makes strong decisions. An emotional mind makes losing decisions. This is why emotional traders fail again and again. Problem 3. Overleveraging, the fast road to failure. Most beginners lose because they use too much lot size. They want big profits quickly. They want to grow the account fast. They want results today, not next month. This mindset destroys accounts. Big lot size gives you stress. Stress creates bad decisions. Bad decisions create losses. Professional traders use small risk, but they win consistently. Because small risk keeps the mind calm. A calm mind can follow a plan. A stressed mind cannot. Slow growth is better than fast failure. Problem 4. Too many strategies. Beginners jump from one strategy to another. Every week, they change the system. Every loss makes them switch again. But here is the truth. A strategy becomes strong only after months of practice. You need time to understand how setups form, when structure changes, how the market behaves, what your personal mistakes are. You can't learn this in 1 week. Choose one method, one structure, one system. Stick with it. Master it. Success comes from repetition, not from jumping around. Problem 5. No routine so you don't have consistency. Bad traders trade anytime, without preparation. Good traders have a routine. A routine keeps your mind focused. It keeps you calm. It gives you clarity. Your routine can be simple. Check the chart. Mark support and resistance. Wait for setups. Execute when the rules are met. Journal your trades. Stop trading for the day. If your daily routine is weak, your results will always be weak. 6. The breaking point. Every trader reaches a moment of truth. A moment where they say, I can't continue like this. I must change. This is the moment the transformation starts. You stop chasing money. You start building discipline. You stop gambling. You start following a plan. Successful traders are not the smartest. They are the most consistent. If you want to join the top 10%, you must choose discipline every day. 7. The simple blueprint to success. Let me give you a simple plan. A plan every beginner can follow. Step 1. One strategy. Pick one simple method and learn it deeply. Step 2. Small risk. Keep lot sizes small. Protect your mind. Protect your account. Step 3. Daily preparation. Review the market before you take any trade. Step 4. Follow your rules. Only take trades that match your plan. No exceptions. Step 5. No overtrading. 1 or 2 good trades a day is enough. Step 6. Journal everything. Write your mistakes. Write your wins. Learn from both. Step 7. Repeat. Do this every day. Consistency builds skill. Skill builds profit. 8. Your biggest enemy. The biggest enemy is not the market. It is not the news. It is not liquidity. Your biggest enemy is your old self. The impatient version of you. The greedy version of you. The emotional version of you. If you want new results, you need a new version of yourself. Trading is not just about charts. It is about the person behind the chart. 9. How the top 10% think. The successful traders think differently. They stay calm. They follow the plan. They don't chase. They don't rush. They wait for the right moment. They understand. The market rewards patience. The market punishes emotion. Before taking any trade, ask yourself, am I calm? If not, I will not trade. This one habit can change your entire trading career. 10. Final message. If you want to succeed in trading, you must choose discipline over excitement, process over luck, patience over speed, clarity over noise, growth over ego. You are listening to this because you believe you can be better. Because you want to grow. Because you want to master yourself. Trading is a mirror. It shows you your strengths. It shows you your weaknesses. It forces you to become stronger. Stay consistent. Stay patient. Stay focused. You are not here to join the 90%. You are here to rise into the 10%. Your journey has just begun. Subscribe if you want more videos that develop your mindset and improve your technical edge.